Hi guys, definitely Mero here. Today we want to add an host and then join logic to our new multiplayer feature. Hi guys, I want to show you what we can achieve at the end of this video. You see, we have two windows, create and join session. One can create the session, the other one can join the session. It takes a little bit, but it works. So wait, maybe it's faster on your system. And we are spawning. So you see we're both in the world and we can see each other. So let us get into the work and begin to implement it. So let us go into Unreal. Here we want to go on Blueprints. We want to create a new folder. Let's call it multiplayer. Problem is we need a new blueprint class. We search for the word friend. And here it is, Advanced Friends Game Instance. We call that BPGI base. And open it up. Here we want to create a custom event and call that create session. Now we get the player controller. Get player controller. And we want to create session friends. And after that, we wanna on success, not open level by object reference. And we want to open our camp level. And very important, you have to write here this. If you don't write it, you cannot find the server. When we need one override here, on session invite accepted. This one here. Here we need again the player controller. Player controller, here it is. And we want join session. Connect player controller here, session to join here. This part is for everyone who get an invite over the chat. You can open your chat, invite friend to a game, and then this logic will bring him into your session. Now we need a new level. Maps, new map level, and call that menu. Then go back to blueprints, multiplayer, and we create a new game mode. For that, go on blueprint class, game mode, base here, and we call that BPGM menu. Now we want to create the user widget. For that, we go here, user, scroll down, user widget. We call that BP underscore PC underscore menu. Sorry, that would be the name for the player controller. We need VB is for widget. VB steht for WB stands for widget blueprint. And this M has to be. So now we need another thing. We need the player controller. And here we call it BP PC menu. That's all right. Let us make our small menu. For that we first need a canvas. You nearly always need a canvas. Then we want, for good alignment, a vertical box. This box should be in the middle. And from here to here, and bring him somewhere here. Yeah. This box will got our two buttons. One, bring him here. We need a text in it. Makes the text black so we can read it good. Create session. Yeah, why not? It's enough. Then we need another button. And we call that X for that. Black again. We call that join session. So now we want to do our I definitely destroy. Oh, I know. Here. You go on the vertical box. And we want to, can we move anything? What we want is not. Okay, let us go on this button. Let us make this spending button not 15. Let us go on 20. So now the button have some space between the two. Now we need two names for it. This we want to call create, and this one we want to call a join. So we know in the graph exactly which one is which one. So let us bring in for the first button an on-click event. On-click here. And now you see here the word create. So you know this on-click belongs to this button. First we need get game instance here and cast that cast to BP DI base. And we need now create session. Now we had the ability to create a session with this button. Now let us bring in this one. Click. We copy. We're not copy this because we want get player controller, and from here we want find session advanced. It's very important you make max result greater 0, so I will bring in 10. Now we want here on success a branch is valid index we want to use. So we now on index 0 is something. Then we want a copy of it. Get copy. And with this copy, we want to use join session on true. We need again the player controller. Let us bring him here and connect to this. So we are done here. Now we go to our player controller we create. Blueprint, multiplayer, player controller, event graph. And we want here widget. The widget we want to create is our VB menu, and we want now to Viewport, add to Viewport. If you go from the blue pin, you don't have to connect the white pin. If you go from the white pin, you have to connect the blueprint. It saves not much time, but a little of it. Now we had to bring things together. We had to open our game mode. Oh, that's the wrong game mode we opened. We need to open that one. And here we want to connect things. So, player controller class is our BP PC menu. And now we want to open our map menu. And here in the world settings, we want to bring in our PPGM menu. If we now press play, oh, I had it to stand alone so that we don't need anymore. So let us close it, and here selected Viewport. Here you see create session. Wait a moment. Okay, maybe I forget something. So first, it's not a big thing, but we go on create setting, maps and mode. Normally is here. Oh, we can search for it. We need our maps and modes here. Our editor starting map will be Muni, and our game default map will be Muni 2. So if we restart the engine, we will not anymore on the first player controller. Okay, I found my mistake. You go in Project, map the mode, scroll down, game instance class, and change that to our create game instance class. Now if you press play, you can create a session. You should. Let me look deeper into it. I'll be back. Okay, I find my mistake. And it's simple. You had to get play. I will undo my change. So get player controller goes into world context. That's wrong. We have to go into player controller. The same here. It goes into world context, but it has to go into player controller. So after this, to fix this, you can here create a lobby. It's going very fast. And you can join a lobby. That takes a moment. Please don't wonder, it works. You have to wait a moment. And here we are. And you can see, we can see each other from the other side of the table. So we had make it done. I hope you learned something. If you're not on our Discord, I would love to see you there. If you're not subscribed me, it helped me a lot. And I want to say, see ya.